Today, we're looking at Alo Yoga. Alo is not only selling workout clothes, they're selling a full lifestyle. Yoga, wellness, Pilates, gym outfits, coffee runs, airport looks, influencer culture, and celebrity social proof. And this is one of the biggest lessons for beginners. The best e-com brands are not just selling products, they're selling identity. So I'm gonna break down the tools they're using, why it matters, and how you can apply the same ideas to your own store. The tool reveal behind Alo is Shopify Plus. Shopify Plus is the higher level version of Shopify built for larger brands that need more customization, scale, and control. Regular Shopify is what most beginners start with. Shopify Plus is what bigger companies use when they're doing serious volume and need more advanced features. But here's what matters. Alo is not successful just because they use Shopify. Shopify is a platform. The real power is how they use it. They use Shopify as a foundation for a premium shopping experience. Fast browsing, clean product pages, strong visuals, simple checkout, mobile-first design, easy product discovery. And this is what beginners should pay attention to. You do not need a massive brand to apply the same principles. So now let's look at Alo's store and break down what they're actually doing right. So the first thing you notice is that the site feels premium immediately. It doesn't look like a random just drop shipping store. The images are very clean, the branding is very simple, the navigation is easy to understand within a few seconds. You know that this company is about fitness, yoga, wellness, lifestyle, premium clothing, and that is already a huge advantage. A confused customer is not gonna buy. So as we scroll, just notice how they're not only showing products, they're showing an actual lifestyle. The models, outfits, photography, and environment, everything is designed to make the customer feel like they're buying into a certain identity. This is what beginners need to study. Alo is not just saying, here are some leggings. They're saying, here's the lifestyle you want to be part of. That's a major, major difference. So now let's look into one of their collections. So we're gonna go to best sellers right now. And another simple strength is just the shopping experience. It's very simple, clearly organized, the images are consistent, the layout is really clean, and you could just simply browse the colors, the images, what you're looking for, the fabric, color, size. It's very, very easy. So let's actually go and open a product page. So again, super simple. You can see everything right here, very clean, the colors, the size, you can add it right away. You get an incentive for shipping over $100. So it's very clean, very easy to understand, and you can see everything right here and there. So there's no confusion. Generally, beginners make the mistake of making the product page too messy, too much text, random badges, a lot of pop-ups. But here in Alo, they keep it super clean, super simple. Another strong point is gonna be the trust. Alo includes everything, the product details, sizing information, shipping, and just anything that the customer needs to feel comfortable before they buy. And this reduces a lot of the friction, which is the goal for the product page. And it does answer most of the questions that customers are gonna have before they buy. So just off the get-go, the biggest pros from Alo's store are gonna be the branding feels really premium, the navigation, it's very, very simple, the photos are very strong, the site sells a lifestyle, the product pages are very clean, the shopping experience, it's very easy, and the whole website just builds a lot of trust. That is what you wanna copy. Not the exact design, not the products, not the name, not the logos, but the principle behind the store. So the first lesson is Alo sells a lifestyle, not just products. The first big lesson from Alo is that they sell a lifestyle. So a beginner might look at the Alo and say, yeah, they just sell leggings or shirts, but that is not the full picture. Alo sells the idea of being fit, stylish, healthy, productive, and part of a premium wellness culture. That is why their products are shown in real life moments. Going to yoga, walking through the city, traveling, getting coffee, working out, relaxing, living the lifestyle. This is very important for Shopify beginners. Most beginners only show the product. They upload a few pictures and expect people to buy. But customers do not only buy the item, they want to see how it feels with them, how it makes them look, how it makes them feel, and they're buying the experience from you. So when you're building a Shopify store, do not ask, what am I selling? You should be asking yourself, what lifestyle does this product fit into? Who wants this? What does it say about the customer? This is how you start building a real brand. The second thing is Alo does well is keeping the shopping experience super clean. Their website does not feel cheap, messy, or overload. It feels really premium. And I'm gonna be honest, the most important thing in this year and age is trust. People don't buy from stores that feel too gimmicky. They wanna buy from something that looks real, safe, clean, and very high quality. And with Alo, there's every single part of the store feels like that. The homepage, collections, product page, you name it. So again, use clean product images, have a simple homepage, make your product page easy to understand. Show clear pricing, add shipping information, return information, use reviews when you have them, and make checkout really simple. A lot of people I see they're losing sales because their store feels unfinished. The product might be decent, but the website just feels very random. Alo shows the opposite. The visuals, branding, product page, and checkout, they all feel connected. The third is, yes, Alo does have a lot of products, but it makes it very easy to navigate. As we can see, we can go bestsellers, the set, trousers, men and women. It's very easy to understand what you're buying and where you want to go. So make it easy for the customer to find what they're looking for. If you sell clothing, separate it by clear categories. If you sell one main product, send people directly to that page. The goal is just to reduce friction. Every extra second someone spends confused, it's most likely they're gonna leave. Another lesson is Alo's brand, it's building trust everywhere. They have celebrity visibility, influencer content, social proof, social media presence, retail stores, polished websites, but it's just showing you that people trust what they see. So add customer reviews, show UGC content, style content videos, real product demos, an about us page, clear shipping information, or return policy. Show the product actually being used in real life. And that's gonna turn traffic into actual buyers. Shopify is an amazing tool, but the strategy they use around it is the actual advantage. So this is the main point of the video. Alo using Shopify Plus does not mean Shopify automatically makes a brand successful. Shopify is just the tool. Strategy is the advantage. Alo has a strong positioning, they know their customer, they understand lifestyle marketing, they have premium visuals, they use social proof, they make everything very simple and very clean for a client. And they do create that desire for somebody to buy their products. So if you are a beginner, just don't say I need Shopify and I just need a store. You have to think about a clean product description, headline, clean store, pictures, trust, reviews, testimonials. This is what's gonna give you the jump to actually perform inside your Shopify store. And yes, Shopify does give you the platform, but you still need the business behind it. So that's why two people using Shopify, one could be super successful and another one it's gonna completely flop. So here's a simple version. First, pick one product category. Do not try to sell everything. Second, define the customer. Who is this for? Who do they care about? What problem are they trying to solve? Third, build the Shopify store around that customer. The photos, copy, product page, and all of the offers should clearly speak to one person. And fourth, make the website feel trustworthy. Good design, policies, real pictures, reviews, simple checkout, and also create content around all of your lifestyle. Do not only show the product on a wide background. Show it being used, the problem, the results, before and afters. And another one is improve everything based on your data. If people click but do not buy, improve the product page. If people add to cart but don't check out, improve trust and checkout. If people are not clicking, improve the creative and hook. This is how you think like a real e-com brand, not just someone trying to make a quick sale. So yes, Alo uses Shopify Plus, but the bigger lesson is not just the tool, it's how they use e-com. They sell a lifestyle, they make the store feel premium, and they make the product discovery very simple. They build trust before the customer even checks out. And yes, they do use Shopify as the engine behind the shopping experience. So if you're starting a Shopify store, don't feel like you need to be Alo on day one, but you can learn from the same principles. Clear product, clear customer, clean store, strong visual, simple offer, trust everywhere. This is how you start building something real. And if you actually want to start building your own Shopify store, I'll leave a link down in the description below so you can get started. Also, if you want more breakdowns of big e-com brands, the tools they use, and how beginners can actually copy the same strategy, let me know. Always happy to make more videos for you guys. Any other questions or comments, make sure to let me know as well. And if you like the video, make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.